Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon. I have this hobby vehicle in front of me, and this vehicle here is the On Tour T710GE. 710 is the size, which is 706 centimeters, and that is the cost, 80,330. What this vehicle can offer is this German layout at the back and a big garage at the rear. So what we find here, storage all the way around like that, which of course will open. This will pull out, although it's been put in with these bolts, which I don't think look very good, but maybe they work quite well. This will come out like here, and there'll be a cushion in somewhere to fill, as far as it'll go, and there'll be a cushion here. There's a ladder, and there'll be a bed bit there, and that's the size of your bed. Pretty good if you want a big bed, but I'm going to leave it like that in order to show you what's down here and on the other side. We've also got steps up to the bed. Lights can be controlled from the rear as well, so you can turn the lights off from in bed. Two windows either side and skylight in the roof. Coming into the kitchen, you will find a range of 3 and a sink. We've got this hobby block, kitchen block. Find this in just about all of their motorhomes. And you've got a Dometic fridge. This is more or less standard Dometic fridge also in hobby motorhomes. To my rear we've got this, the toilet. Lots of space in here. I'm going to stand in just to show you. There's me in the toilet, stacks of space. If you don't want your toilet to get wet for whatever reason, you bring this around here like that. And you've got another thing on the other side as well, which you're probably supposed to do first. This sort of comes around like that. There you go. And there's me having a shower, whilst the toilet is theoretically not getting wet. Put this thing here back. Seems, I mean, it might be better than using a shower curtain. I've never had a problem with the toilet getting wet, but maybe I've been lucky, not only with myself, but also the people who've been with me. Alright, got a kitchen block down here, and it comes with this, and I can't understand the point of this at all. It comes with these things. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just some kind of a game. Don't know. So you build the blocks or something. But that then goes in there. That has been introduced recently. Sorry, it can go flat, I think. Or maybe that's part of the game, trying to find how it actually works. The rest of the kitchen block's quite nice. Side L-shaped arrangement here at the front. You can make this into a bed as well. This one here, as you can see, is on a Citroen. They also use Fords. No, sorry. They also use Fiats. There's a look to the back. Note there isn't a double floor. A double floor would have put an extra 20,000 on the price, and hobby for whatever reason don't use them. In here we have got there's the gas that'll slide out very conveniently. Pull this up and the whole thing comes out. It doesn't do, I need 2 hands to do it though, and one's holding the camera. But this enormous garage here, and this has to be the star of what they're offering here. That is the size of the door, 101 centimeters by 82 centimeters, and that really is the pièce de résistance of this here. Got your 2 electrical supplies there, 12 volts and shore power, 230. The 230 could be connected via an inverter to actually supply from your battery. It is the star thing of this. Mit Einzelbetten, with single beds und große Garage, and a large garage. And okay, not quite single beds, they're joinable. single beds. I'm going to have to walk around this vehicle here to show you a bit more of what's here. Also gives you the opportunity to see some other vehicles, and if they see anything incidentally when I'm walking around, Itineo will say, hey, can you try and get that one done? I won't be here by the time you say that, but I will be at another event and I can get it done. In any case, I've probably got done everything that you can see here anyway. Right, I'm going to be very careful here, but I just want to show it from the other side as well. There you have, oops, touch the camera, knock the camera out a bit. I've upset the camera now. Well, let's hope it works until the end. The garage can take, though, only around 150 kilos inside. Mind you, that's, I think that's enough for most people. Depends what you're carrying. I don't know. Might be carrying gold bars or something like that. So, but if you think of using something like this for a robbery, for example, then it's probably not the vehicle to do it with. And anyway, we've got this one also, the Maxia T, offering the same functionality, 72,000 euros in cost. Also, this one's 715 centimeters in length. So there's your enormous bed at the back. This time it doesn't have these bolts on, which I thought don't look very good at all, but the rest is very similar, although you have some storage down here as well. Actually, I prefer this vehicle. That's the same. There's a kitchen block, and it also comes in this case with an oven. And bear in mind, of course, that people say to me, well, where's the oven? And I say it's in the shops. And so if you want to install it, you can install it. In most vehicles it's possible. Maybe not every vehicle, but most it's possible. So there you go. That is the Hobby on Tour T at Caravan Salon. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you found that interesting. And so I upload every day at 21:15, and I've got every single motorhome from Hobby that is currently available, and quite a lot that are no longer available as well. All the best from me. Bye for now.